My name is Jan Bledsoe. I work with the Olson company at Laurel Walk in La Mirada. Laurel Walk will consist of 56 new 2- and 3-story townhomes built by Olson Homes in La Mirada. Attainable prices starting in the low 600s. Located in the Gateway City, offering big city convenience. Laurel Walk's homes range from 1,236 square feet to 1,859 square feet of living space. We also offer 6 different floor plans that offer up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and direct access to car garage. Open concept floor plans, contemporary styled living spaces, gourmet kitchens designed for entertainment, and great deck spaces for patios and outdoor entertaining. Norwalk Santa Fe Springs Metrolink station is minutes from the community and provides service east to Riverside downtown, north to LA Union Station, and south towards Oceanside, all with additional stop options on the way. For entertainment and shopping, we're close to The Source, Knott's Berry Farm, Brea Mall, downtown Fullerton, and Disneyland. Olson Homes is always focused on location and convenience. Some of the restaurants will include Pieology, Stereoscope Coffee, Porto's, and 85 Degree Bakery. For fitness and recreation, we have Splash at La Mirada Regional Aquatic Center, La Mirada Golf Course, La Mirada Lake, Behringer Park, and La Mirada City Garden Hill Park. Local public schools include Foster Road Elementary School, Arlie F. Hutchinson Middle School, La Mirada High School, and Loyola University. Laurel Walk is great for commuters. Easy access to major freeways, including the 605, the 91, the 5, and the 57 freeways for convenience that connects you to your commute. Laurel Walk is offering a connected home featuring learning thermostats and pre-wired access points for wireless internet access. Buyers can add select additional upgrades depending on what's important to them and their lifestyles, such as built-in electric vehicle chargers, smart locks at the garage and front door, and Nest Hello video doorbells. Buyers love the process of creating their own interior design with the help of a professional designer at our design studio. You can personalize your home, select flooring and countertops, lighting, window coverings, and many more features. For your first opportunity to visit the models at Laurel Walk, you can schedule an appointment at laurelwalkhomes.com.